Up next, a 2016 Harley-Davidson FLS. Softail Slim right off the bat. Previous owner added a bar bag, a windshield on quick disconnect hardware. In a minute I'll show you the Vance & Hines pipes. For now we'll listen to them while observing the bike has right over 9,000 miles on it, which explains why it looks so great. The bike is loud, and I'm just guessing that the baffles have been removed. Also a low, very small saddlebag. Docking hardware on the rear. The passenger backrest. And here's a shot of the Vance & Hines pipes. This bike's in beautiful condition. No doubt the previous owner took great care of it. Oh, not aftermarket, Harley-Davidson. Upgraded grips. The bike looks awesome with the wide white wall tires, and is available for test ride 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.